See, here is the usage of the glitter powder. This glitter powder, how we are going to use. After doing the painting, everything completed, you just apply little of the white color transparent area you wanted that glitter to be stuck. You just apply that white glass color, and then you just very lightly sprinkle the color on it. Very lightly you have to do the sprinkle the color on it. Rest of the area only this can be done when the other part is dried. Okay, that's why I was not able to sew it in the plazas. Just dab it like this and take it off. So the area where we wanted alone, it has to be done. See, same way I wanted this color to be given in this area, this portion. I'm giving very little of white color. I have taken white color. This portion I wanted this blue to be given. So I'm giving little of white color. Earlier itself I've given white color, but those color it has dried up. So now I wanted it to be in this blue. Very lightly you just apply. See that while doing this sort of work, you put off the fan and do it. Otherwise, there are chances of it to stick to other area. Very lightly do it like this. Wherever we have given that color, we can give this. Now, again do the dabbing like this so that the color falls down. And just blow little air even you want to clean the place. This can be done like here. If you want, you can have the glue like lines. You can draw like zigzag lines I am drawing. And on this, very lightly I am going to give. See, very lightly you need to give the color over this place. Then you get a zigzag line of it. See, you can very well see the color, isn't it? Here it is dried little bit, that's why it is not sticking. If you want, again you can do that. That portion alone you do it separately. Or each time you need not dab the thing. Lightly you can do it like this. In all the places, whichever places you want, you can do it. Very simple technique and very easy usage of the glass color. I'm using white glass color and I'm then doing this part. Very simple technique, something very new to. Okay, now I have done to these portions. Just dabbing it like this, you take off the rest of the colors. Now you have a neat line of it. Okay, I think this will be a better demonstration which you can follow and do it like this. Thank you, everyone.